In this video, we're going to talk about cashing in on Pokemon Go. When something goes as crazy as this game has, there is a ton of money to be made by those smart enough to get in front of it. Here are a few ways to get in front of it. Done-for-you services. People are lazy. Those lazy people will be happy to pay you to do the stuff they don't want to do themselves. If you're willing to put in the time, you can get paid handsomely for doing the work. Build up accounts and sell them. First, step one, set up a new Gmail account. You'll need to do this because you're going to have to give that to someone when they buy. Create a new Pokemon Go account, play the game and level up your character while collecting as many Pokemon as you can. Step 4, sell the account once you reach level 20 or higher by providing your buyer with the Gmail account. All you have to do is give them the email, the password, and don't log into it ever again. Hopefully they're smart enough to change the password on their own, but that's on them, not on you. Simply rinse and repeat, and you can sell accounts over and over and over again. They're going from anywhere from a few $100s to $1,000 or more if you can catch rare enough Pokemon. Hatch eggs for people. Publicize your services at local gyms, Pokestops, Craigslist, or anywhere else you can. Have people give you their phone. Place their phone on a slow-turning record turntable, and alternatives to use a Roomba, which is a completely self-aware vacuum. So set the Roomba to go or set the record turntable to spin with the phone on top of it. You will, over time, hatch people's eggs for them. Give back the phone and get paid for the work that you did. Be a Pokemon driver. Sign up to drive for Uber or Lyft. You'll need a decent vehicle to be able to do this. They don't want 1963 VW bugs that are sputtering from one location or another to be driving for them. You'll need a fairly recent car. Plan a 1-hour trip that reaches 3 or 4 Pokestops and local gyms. Publicize your services on Craigslist and at local Pokestops and gyms, and then get paid for doing what you've done. So let's move on for the done-for-you stuff to selling Pokemon stuff. Step 1, create designs based upon Pokemon teams, gear, and the Pokemon. And as promised in a previous video, avoid trademark terms and graphics. Apply the designs to mugs, badges, t-shirts, stickers, posters, keychains, etc. Can be done using a service like Gear Bubble, Cafe Press, and others. Publicize your products at local events using Facebook ads or by paying for access to those that have the attention of Pokemon Go players. Step 4, profit. Content production. Record on video or as text any tricks you learn while playing the game. Post your content on a blog, on YouTube, and social media. You'll want to tie all of these things together using a service like Hootsuite to make it easier and more organized. Last step, use advertising to monetize your content. Attract Pokemon trainers. Now, for this to work, you want to download the app onto your phone. Use real money to purchase Pokemon coins. Use those coins to buy Pokemon lures and incense. Drop lures every 30 to 60 minutes. Offer special discounts and prizes to Pokemon trainers. And another option is to have a charging station so trainers can charge their phones while they're buying whatever you've got for sale. Step 7, sell more of your stuff.